Hi folks, once again you join Pro Steam on a carpet clean. This is another commercial carpet clean, and before we start this job we're just going to have a walk through. This is the main entrance into the office, and as you can see there's a lot of tracked in dirt here, and if you compare areas around the edges of the carpet, they're going to look very clean compared to the areas that people walk on. Okay, and as an example, a lot of offices will use these protective plastic mats. Okay, and they do work, as you can see. So what we've got to do, we've got to get all the other areas of the carpet to look like that again. It's not going to be easy, but we do have the best equipment available on the market. We have a Cymex machine, and we also have an orbital machine, and we'll be using these two machines to encapsulate this carpet. Some people will say, oh well, we'll just go straight in with a truck mount and we'll just steam clean these carpets. Well, steam cleaning will actually weaken a carpet tile. You'll find that carpet tiles that have been steam cleaned, you'll end up seeing areas that have come loose, and it will damage the tile. So it's, I mean, this particular part of the office is very soiled. The carpet is matted, it's dull, it's heavily compacted with soil right here. It looks like we've had a bit of a water leak or something here. Once again, a lot of people would go straight for hot water extraction on these areas, and we're not going to do that. Okay, we're going to use the Cymex with a specific product on this carpet, and we're going to make this carpet look awesome. Okay, so without further ado, what we're going to do next is give the carpet a thorough vacuum to release as much of the dry soil as possible. Right, 1.5 hours later, we return to this office carpet. You remember how it looked before? Very soiled in areas, especially these two offices here. Okay, so we've managed to make that look a lot better. Remember how filthy that was down there? Just everything looks much better. I'm not saying it looks brand new, because that's not what we're here to do. We're not here to make old knackered carpets look brand new again. We just want to make their appearance kind of stand out a little bit, and we want them to look even, and that's exactly what we've done. So the carpets look bright, it smells good, and the best bit, folks, this carpet is barely damp. I would say give this 30 minutes and it's ready to use. Okay, so I've proved the fact that you don't need to use heavy duty truck mount steam cleaning equipment to clean office carpets, even ones that were in quite a bad state, especially here. Remember here, people walk from outside straight up these stairs, no barrier mats or anything, and then they walk wet mud straight into the carpets. Okay, so I think that looks pretty good. And there you have it.